Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove background noise and clean up audio in DaVinci Resolve. So I have a short clip here that I want to add a voiceover to. So I'll drag and drop my voiceover into the timeline. Now let's give it a listen. Where would you like to go in Japan? So the mic quality is pretty decent already, but there's a lot of background static and some weird clicking at the start. So one of the easiest and fastest ways to make audio sound better or cleaner is by isolating the important portions. So we do this by using this blade tool and clicking where we want to cut the audio. So we highlight the unimportant bits, press Ctrl X to remove it, and we're left with only the voice. Where would you like to go in Japan? That sounds a lot cleaner than earlier, but let's try to line it up with the transition a bit more. Where would you like to go in Japan? So we removed some of the weird background noises, but there's still some static. We can address this by moving on to the Effects tab and then clicking on Audio Effects. Here, scroll down. Here we go. Noise reduction. So with the noise reduction filter, we can remove the static by dragging and dropping it onto our audio clip, and this window pops up. Usually, I just like to use the auto speech mode because it's the easiest and fastest way to deal with background static. So let's give it a listen. Where would you like to go in Japan? I'd say that sounds a lot better than what we had earlier. How about without it? Where would you like to go in Japan? And again, with it. Where would you like to go in Japan? So it removed a pretty good amount of static. We can make it even more potent by increasing the threshold a little. Let's see how that does. Where would you like to go in Japan? Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I practically can't hear any of the static we had earlier. So that's how to clean up audio and remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. I hope I was able to help, and thanks for watching.